Hello everyone, welcome to Learn to Code Tutorials. This is Sam from Learn to Code Tutorials. Today we will learn about HTML heading, the heading tag that we use to declare any heading. So let's get started. So there are 6 heading tags that we can use in HTML, like shown in this presentation. So let me give you a live example. Let me open Notepad++. So this is the initial declaration that we use to write any HTML code, that is doctype HTML, head tag, then comes the title tag, then head tag close, body tag close, then HTML tag close. So let's write, we need to declare that HTML code in the body tag. Let's see. H1 learn to code tag close. Now let me copy this. Save this file save as, like head.html. HTML files contains an extension of .html. Save it. Let's open that HTML1. So you can see that H1 tag shows us the heading in a big size. So the biggest heading comes under H1 tag, and the heading tag has the lowest size in H6, the lowest size. So let me show you that how you can increase the size of H1 using inline CSS. So H1 style font size, let's declare font size as 150 px. Okay, let's save this. Now I'm refreshing this one. So you can see that learn to code, that line, this H1 tags, the size of the learn to code has increased. So let me show you how we can add an horizontal rule in HTML. Nothing, just write HR horizontal rule, save it, then come here, then refresh this one. See, you can see this an horizontal rule has been placed in this HTML code. And if you want to know that the code inside what is the HTML code for any web page, just make a right click and select view page source. It will give you the HTML code or the script that has been used for that particular web page. So this was all about HTML heading and HR horizontal rule. So thank you for watching. Thank you, and just provide any feedback in the comment section.